Hi, this is Kusum Turan. This is my class hack for engaging students effectively in the computer lab to create and solve a puzzle to reveal a picture and learn the use of conditional formatting feature in Microsoft Excel. Let us quickly go through the steps. First, insert the picture at the background using Page Layout menu. Make the picture appear in 4x4 grid. Apply borders and fill color to the worksheet. Write the problem for each cell from A1 to D4 in the cells A5 to D13. Apply conditional formatting for each cell A1 to D4. And then write the solution in each cell to reveal the picture. Thank you. Let us first see how to reveal the picture. We have to first write the problem for each cell A1 to D4 here like this. For example, A1 is 1 into 1. So we have to write its solution here. So this is achieved by applying the feature conditional formatting.